Why optimize your Facebook profile for your business? Hi, Massimo here, and this is really a cool question, because I think that maybe now more than ever, you are seeing more and more people with their Facebook profile, not just with the picture profile and a cover picture and a normal one and so on, but you go there and you see that this person is a professional in some kind of I don't know, job or business and so on, and you see that there are some information and so on that you immediately know and understand what this guy or this man or this woman are doing, which business, which niche they are in, okay, and what to do if you're interested in what they are doing. For example, if you are a cameraman, okay, and you go into the profile of this person, you see immediately that this guy is a professional cameraman and so on, and if you want to have his or her services, you just see that there is a place where you can go and click, and you see the link, and you go into the link, and you are directed to their website or their funnel or whatever, or to call them, to their chat message, or you see their telephone number, WhatsApp number and so on, so that you can chat with them and so on. It depends if this is something that you have to buy, that they are selling, or if this is counseling or a job like professional, which is developed, not delivered immediately, but developed and then delivered, like a cameraman, which you have to speak with him. I want to shoot this and this other, okay, and you set up the appointment, so on, and then you go, and he comes and shoot and so on, and this is better obtained with a button, a kind of button which says call me or contact me, something like this, or but if he's a professional from, I don't know, an affiliate marketer, where he is selling digital products of a company, for example, a certain type of software or a program to make money online and so on, you will see that you go there and you say, affiliate marketer and so on. If you are interested, or if you want to learn how to start your online business, like my profile, for example, click here, you click there, Why? Yes, I saw some of them. No, I never saw any of them. In this case, just go and check my profile. You will understand what I mean, okay? And yes, okay, Massimo, but why is these people? Why don't they use Facebook page? Well, because Facebook profiles are more efficient than Facebook pages, okay? You can set up it in a certain way that, in a strategical way, so that people who are interested will be then driven to your offer. Why Facebook profile? Because the Facebook profile has great advantage against a Facebook page. There are these three factors which are very important, which are the KLT factor, okay? Know, like, and trust factors. What are they? Let's think about one time that you bought your TV, okay? Where did you buy it? You went in a certain shop, okay, and you choose a certain brand of TV because you trusted that shop and that company who built the TV, okay, even if there was maybe another TV which was, it looked cool and so on, but the company was not so known, and you trusted better, I don't know, for example, Samsung than an unknown company. So what happened? You went in the shop that you trust, and you bought the TV from the company that you trust the most amongst the other ones. Trust. This is the T. But in order to be trusted, how Samsung did this? You have to like the Samsung products, because if you don't like Samsung products, you are not going to buy a Samsung TV. For example, if you are one who loves the iPhone, the Apple products, let's speak about mobile phones, okay? If you love more Apples than Samsung, if you like more the Apple than Samsung, or Samsung than Apple, just to be balanced, okay? Then you will trust more Apple in this case, or Samsung, okay, and then you buy. But if you see a Nokia or another company who is no more that much, famous and so on, you see the Nokias and so on, you don't like them. You don't like, just to say one, because sorry, I'm not working for Apple, I'm not working for Samsung. These are just the companies that I know the best. I mean, nothing against Nokia, because Nokia has still this kind of mobile phone which we in the media field use, because they are the advantage of these little mobile phones. Just to say something in favor of Nokia, the battery lasts incredibly long because they are not smartphones, okay, and wherever you go you have signal, okay, and and we use this as video makers in the news and so on. We use this in order to have the journalist speaking with the TV channel, because the battery lasts really long, and wherever you go there is signal, they work. So wherever you go when you are doing lives, you use the Nokias, not that much iPhones or not. If you want to be reliable, you use Nokia, okay? So, but this is for people who knows, okay, about Nokia and likes Nokia because of these features, okay? So if I like more Nokia because I know the features, long-lasting batteries, there is field for them everywhere you go, okay, you like these features because of your job, shooting news and so on, then you trust more Nokia for this, okay, and then you buy from Nokia, okay. So from trusting, we see that in order to trust Apple, Nokia, Samsung, we had to like their products, all the features of their products. But how can you like Nokia, Samsung or Apple if you don't even know them? Let's say the company Alcatel. That's right. Who the hell is Alcatel? Alcatel was a company who was producing mobile phones when I was much younger, okay, and now I didn't hear any more about them. And guess what? If you are quite young, you wonder, what is this Alcatel? I never heard about Alcatel. Maybe people who is a little bit in the 40 or in the 50, in their 40s or 50s, maybe they remember them, okay? And this is exactly what I mean. If you don't know something, you cannot like it, and if you don't like it, you cannot trust it, and if you don't trust it, you don't buy it. So why all this discussion about mobile phones, TVs and so on, no like and trust? Because a Facebook profile, and we go back, a Facebook profile is something more intimate, okay? In your Facebook profile there is people connected with you who already knows you, who already likes you, otherwise they wouldn't connect with you. And in a certain percentage, they trust you. So the path toward they buy from you, because they trust you, is almost finished. Why? In a Facebook page, you are a professional, you are a seller, people detach from you, yeah, keep distances, he is a professional, he is something, me and all the normal people are something other. You know, there is this distance, and you have to create, to make yourself known, and the reach of the Facebook page is zero, almost zero, unless you don't use paid ads. You must work a lot in order to make people like you in your Facebook page, and then you have to work a lot in order to make people to trust you, and then you can sell something from your Facebook page. So this is why you see all these people, including me, with their Facebook profile optimizer for their business, online or offline. Anyway, if you have an offline business, like I'm selling shoes, Massimo, I don't have an online shop. Okay. If you optimize your Facebook profile for your business, selling shoes, okay, you will optimize it so that the call to action will be contact me by phone, so that I can speak with you, I can tell you what I have in my shop, tell you where my shop is, and you come. Because despite your shop is a physical shop and you are selling shoes, out there in the real world, all your customers have one of these, and they are on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Okay? So your Facebook profile will work for you in order to bring you customers. Okay? In order to bring you customers. Of course, you are going to use some strategies for your local customers if you have a shop, a physical shop. Okay? And your business is not online, which I wonder why it is not online yet, which is really ridiculous. Okay? Because if you go online, you have the whole world, okay, the whole world available for your business. You don't have only a limited area, okay, which means a lot of income, more income. Especially, you see what happened, the COVID-19 lockdown and so on. In other parts of world, there are people who are not yet in quarantine, no more in quarantine. Like here in Italy, in this moment, up to now, at this moment, and this moment that I'm shooting this video, we are not under lockdown. But I already know about other friends, for example, in Australia and so on, they are again under lockdown. So if you are in Australia and you are under lockdown and your business was just a brick and mortar business and not online, you are going to suffer again, you know. But if you had an online business, you could sell your shows in other parts of the world where the lockdown is not happening, or even in your country, because your shows are being sent directly to their home, you know. You have to set up stuff and so on, but you can do this. Okay, so this is why if you have a business, online business or offline business, it is better to use it in order to get more leads and customers. Okay, and you do this optimizing your Facebook profile so that when people, you know, just go into your Facebook profile, they see immediately, understand immediately what you are doing, who you are, what you do, and intuitively, just instinctively, they see their attention is grabbed where they have to go in order to see what you have to offer. Okay, so if you want to know how to do this, how to set up your Facebook profile, just check my Facebook profile and you will understand what I mean. Okay, right now when I finish the video, okay, when this video is going to finish, you just go and check my Facebook profile. Okay, and you will see what I mean. If you want to do this 100% optimized and so on, done very well and so on, and you want also to learn how to drive more traffic to your Facebook profile, so more people is going to see what you have to offer, and then becoming customers, okay, from potential customers to customers. And if you want to build an automated selling system, online automated selling system, which is going to sell what you have to sell, shoes or whatever, okay, courses, I don't know, guitar lessons or singing lessons and so on, so that people will go into your Facebook profile and then they will be directed to this panel, and you will sell on autopilot what you have to sell, to offer what you want to sell, okay? If you are a professional of any kind, affiliate marketer, network marketer, someone who is selling shoes, someone who is selling songs, someone who is selling paintings and so on, okay? If you want to know how to do all of this, just comment below, okay? Or just send me a message wherever you are watching this video, Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, everywhere, okay? And leave a comment, like the video, leave a comment and say, I don't know what you could say. Yeah, you could say, I want to know more. Okay, I want to know more, and I will send you the information on how to do all of this. Setting your Facebook profile, learning free organic strategies, traffic strategies in order to get free leads from Facebook without paying ads. How to set up a funnel so that you can sell what you have to sell, whatever you have to sell on autopilot, day and night, okay, non-stop. And all of this stuff, I will send you the informations, okay? So thank you very much for your attention. I appreciate it very much. Comment below, send me a message, whatever you want, okay? And see you next time to the next video. And remember, there is always something to learn and always something to earn. Ciao.